Myself Priti Rangari. I am B.Ed first year student, semester 2 student. I have to teach you here 9th standard mathematics. I am taking topic trigonometry. We have to calculate sine, cos and tan ratio of 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 0 degree. So we have to know the theorem of 30, 60 degree and 90 degree related to trigonometry. Who will tell me the theorem? Okay, and considering here, this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree and this is 90 degree. This is triangle ABC. Okay, according to this theorem, it is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree theorem. Side opposite to 30 degree angle, half of hypotenuse. Okay, got it? And side opposite to 60 degree angle, root 3 by 2 times by 2 of hypotenuse. Okay, this is the theorem. Notice this theorem and we have to apply this theorem. Therefore, it is necessary to study this theorem. Okay, now we will see trigonometric ratio of trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, for it we have to consider this diagram. This is 30 degree, 60 degree and it's 90 degree, PQ1. Okay, considering side PQ is equal to A and we have to calculate the side formula for PR and QR. Okay, according to theorem 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree theorem, PQ equal to, that is side opposite to 30 degree, that is PQ. PQ equal to 1 by 2 into PR. Okay, we have considered PQ as A. Put the value of PQ. A equal to PR upon 2. Therefore, PR equal to 2A. Write down here 2A. We have calculated PR equal to 2A. Then you have to find QR. Side opposite to 60 degree, that is QR. QR equal to root 3 by 2 of PR. We know value of PR. Root 3 by 2 into 2A. 2 get cancelled. QR equal to root 3A. This is the value of QR. Then we have to find out sine ratio, cos ratio. Okay. Therefore, sine 30 equal to PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR. PQ equal to A, QR, this is root 3A. PQ upon PR, that is 2A. A get cancelled 1 by 2. Okay, we have calculated sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Then cos 30 equal to QR upon PR. QR upon PR. QR equal to root 3A upon PR equal to 2A. A get cancelled. Value is root 3 by 2. Got it? Everybody. Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Then tan 30 equal to PQ upon tan 30 equal to, what is the value of tan 30? PQ upon QR. PQ upon QR. PQ is A, QR is root 3A. A get cancelled 1 by root 3. Is the value of tan 30. Got it? Then we have to calculate sine 60. Sin 60 equal to take angle 60, QR upon PR, QR upon PR. QR is root 3a by 2a. A get cancelled, root 3 by 2. Then cos 60. Cos 60 equal to QR upon cos 60 equal to PQ upon PR. PQ upon PR. PQ is A upon 2A. A get cancelled 1 by 2. Got it? We have calculated cos 60. Then tan 60. Tan 60 equal to QR upon PQ. QR upon PQ. QR is root 3a upon PQ means a is root 3. We have to notice the value of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, sin 60, cos 60 and tan 60. In this way we can calculate this. Now we have to calculate then sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, therefore sin 30 equal to cos 90 minus 30 equal to cos 60. Okay, observe this. Then cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos 30 equal to sin 60. Okay, 90 minus 30 is sin 60. This is important formula for you. Now we will see who will tell me the formula of sin 30. Good, 1 by 2. Then tell me formula of cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to sin 30. There it is also 1 by 2. Okay, then trigonometric ratio of 45 degree angle. For this, consider this diagram. This is 90 degree. Okay, A, B, C. This is 45. Then it will be also 45 degree. Okay, this is 45 degree and this is also 45 degree. Then we have to calculate. First we have to calculate value of AB, ABC and AC. This is isosceles triangle. Therefore, if we have taken AB equal to A, then BC also equal to A. Okay, we have to calculate value of AC. How we can calculate it? Consider triangle. In triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle B equal to 45 degree and angle C. Okay, angle A and angle C is equal to 45 degree and angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, apply Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. You have already studied it. Therefore, AC square equal to AB means A square plus A square equal to 2A square. Therefore, AC equal to root 2 A square root 2 of A square is A, root 2A. AC equal to root 2 into A. This is the main formula. Okay. Then we have to calculate value of sin 45 and cos 45 and tan 45. Therefore, sin 45 equal to A upon AC. We have calculated AC is equal to root 2a. Write down here root 2a. Sin 45 equal to a upon root 2a equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 equal to, it is also equal to 1 upon a upon root 2 into a equal to 1 by root 2. A get cancel. That is sin 45 or cos 45 equal to AB or BC upon AC. Now we have to calculate tan 45. Tan 45 equal to a upon a, that is equal to 1. Tan 45 equal to 1. Here we have seen trigonometric ratio of 45-degree angle. Okay. Now we have to see 0 degree and trigonometric ratio for 0 degree and 90 degree. Trigonometric ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay. We have to consider a figure here for 0 degree. We have calculated for 0 degree. 0 degree means nothing. We have taken very small. In this triangle, this is 90 and this is 0 degree. Okay. Then sin 0, we have to calculate sin 0. Sin 0 equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC. Sin 0 equal to AB upon AC. AB is 0 because it is nothing. If this angle is 0, there will be no AB. Take AB equal to 0 and AC equal to AC. Then 0 upon AC, what will be the answer? 0 upon AC, 0 upon AC equal to 0. Anything divided by 0, then answer will be 0. Then sin 90. This is sin 0. Sin 90. Take this angle. Opposite side of the 90 degree is AC. Okay, and hypotenuse is also equal to AC. Therefore, sin 90 equal to AC upon AC. AC upon AC equal to 1. Sin 0 equal to 0 and sin 90 equal to 1. Okay, mark this. Then we have to calculate cos 0. Cos 0 equal to sin 90 minus 0. That is 90 minus 0 means sin 90. Sin 90 equal to cos 0 equal to sin 90. What is the value of sin 90? That is 1. And we have to calculate cos 90. Cos 90 equal to sin 90 minus 90. That is sin 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. Thus cos 90 equal to 0. Mark this. I will ask after some time all these ratios. Okay. Then minutely observe it. This is cos 90. Cos 90 equal to sin 0 equal to 0. Then we have to calculate tan 0. Tan 0 equal to what will be the answer? Tan 0 equal to, that is AB upon BC. AB upon BC, or we can take sin 0 upon cos 0. Sin 0 upon cos 0. Sin 0 equal to 0 and cos 0 equal to 1. 0 divided by 1 equal to 0. Therefore, tan 0 equal to 0. Then tan 90. Tan 90 equal to sin 90 upon cos 90. What is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 equal to 1 and cos 90 equal to 0. Anything means we have to divide 1 by 0. The answer will be infinity or undefined. define. Tan 90 equal to tan 90 equal to undefined, or we can take it as a infinity. This is all about trigonometric ratio. Okay. After this, I have summarized your knowledge. First we have taken 30, 60, 90 theorem. Okay. After that we have calculate that is the 30 or 60 degree trigonometric ratio. After that we have calculate 45 degree trigonometric ratio, trigonometry of 45 degree angle. After that we have seen trigonometric ratio of 0 and 90 degree. In this way we can form a table or chart for we can form a chart. We have to see here. We can take here. That is this is angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. This is we have to make a chart. Then take different trigonometric ratio, that is sine, then cos, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay. Take some space here, cos theta and tan theta. Okay. We can make a chart here. Sin theta is equal to we have to put here sin 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. Sin 30 equal to, it is also equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. And sin 90 equal to 1. Then take cos theta. That is cos 0 equal to 1. Cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. And cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 equal to 0. Then take tan theta. Tan 0 equal to 0. Tan 30 equal to, who will tell me the value of tan 30? 1 by root 2. Good. 1 by root 3. Then tan 45 equal to, what is the value of tan 45? 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. That is 1. Tan 45 equal to 1. Tan 60 equal to, what will be the value? 1 upon root 3. Sorry, root 3. Root 3. And tan 90 equal to undefined. This is the chart. Now I am giving you some homework for you. Okay. Make a chart of trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio of 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. Sorry, we have to take first 45 degree. 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, we have to make a chart of trigonometric ratio of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. I have already given you a chart. You have to study it, and tomorrow I will take test. Okay. Thank you very much. This is your homework. Thank you very much.